Hands-on learning is vital to Evangel's academic culture. From day one, Evangel students have incredible multidisciplinary experiences, including presenting in research symposiums, playing in traveling orchestras, and working on award-winning news broadcasts in Evangel's state-of-the-art TV studio. Let's head over to Trask Hall to meet Raelin. She'll share about all the amazing student media opportunities she's experiencing in her time at EU. Great to have you here, Raelin. Please take it away.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, everyone. I've always loved stories. Storytelling, especially through the visual medium of video or film, unlocks human emotion and shares truth in a powerful way. Good films allow people to experience joy and laughter and can even help individuals work through grief and trauma. Here at Evangel, I am honing my craft to become not just a filmmaker or a videographer, but a mass communicator for Christ. Even as a sophomore, I had several opportunities to get hands-on learning and develop my storytelling skills. One of those experiences came through EU Films. Every semester, Evangel students direct, write, produce, and act in a short film, which then premieres for the student body. I served as the director for our EU film, where I learned a lot about leading and managing a team. As Christians, we are called to be positive and diligent servants of our coworkers, especially when we're leading others. My time in EU Film showed me how to effectively lead a cast and crew of highly talented individuals while also creating a positive and welcoming work environment. I've also had opportunities in my work-study job in Evangel's marketing department. Recently, Evangel went through the process of adopting a new mascot, and with just 2 weeks of experience, I was tasked with writing the script for the reveal video, which debuted in front of the entire student body. This project taught me how to communicate a powerful message through combining both writing and film. Evangel has equipped me with several amazing opportunities to grow as both a storyteller and an aspiring professional. Because of these experiences, I know I will be an effective communicator for Christ. Thanks for listening to just a small part of my story. What's your take, Alex?
Thank you, Raelin. What an outstanding opportunity to gain hands-on learning through your time at EU Films. We're looking forward to seeing your name in shining lights very soon. Thanks again.